Hello guys, welcome to Smart Trader 245. I'm KG, and in this video I'm going to share what I consider the best way to start trading. Now this is my personal opinion. I'm not saying it's the only way to start trading. It's just the way that I think it's best to start trading. Now this video is not meant for anyone who doesn't know anything about trading. This is not an introduction to trading. This is just my opinion on sharing the best way I think anyone should start trading, especially if you already have some knowledge with what trading is, how trading works, the type of markets we have, the type of platforms we use, just everything that you need for your basic toolkit, right? So the first thing that's important is finding a good broker. I'm not only sharing this as information, but it's part of my journey, something that I'll be doing for the next coming videos and the next coming months. So finding a good broker. For this journey, I will be specifically using or trading with Exness. It's a broker that I've been using for some time and I've never had any issues with Exness. So for finding a good broker, I choose Exness. Secondly, you need a trading platform. Now, a trading platform is a platform that you will use to execute your trades. It's different from a chatting platform or a chatting software. So for a trading platform, I will use MT5, MetaTrader 5, popularly known as MT5. Right? That's a platform that I'll use to execute my trades. And then the third thing, you need to pick a chatting platform. Chatting platform is where you do your analysis, where you analyze your markets. So the current popular chatting software or chatting platform is TradingView, and I'll be going with TradingView as well. Reason being, with MT5 you can't synchronize your charts, so any analysis that you do on your phone won't be visible when you log into your MT5 account on your computer or a different device. So now with TradingView, your charts are easily synced. So if I log into TradingView with the same email on my computer and my phone, I can easily monitor my analysis. What I see on my phone will be the same thing that I see on my computer. Now, lastly, the last thing that you need is to start trading on a demo account. Most people are against the fact that trading a demo account doesn't give you the real markets. But the way I look at this is every specialist, everyone who specializes in something, they had to go through practicals before the real deal. Before you even get your driver's license, you need to be tested. You need to go to a driving school. Before you become a doctor, you need to get practicals, a teacher, practicals. Every single career, there's a phase where you have to go through the demo phase. So in trading, we have the very same thing. Start with a demo account. So I will just log into Exness and create a demo account. So where is it? Demo, open account. So demo accounts comes in different, what's going on? So with demo accounts, you need to know what type of account you need. So I'm going to pick an account that I know when I'm going to trade live will be the same account type that I will be using. So a standard account is reasonable for me. So I'll go with a standard account, continue. And then we get to currencies. Because my plan is to trade using rands, so for my demo account I'll go with rands, and then starting balance I will start off with 10,000. Now 10,000 might seem unreasonable to start off, but this is the same amount of money that I'm willing to invest when I'm going to trade for a live. So I'm in trading on a live account, so it's reasonable for me. Then I'll just give this a nickname, just say practice account. Then leverage 1:2000 is fine. Platform MT5. Then let me just create my password. Yep, I think that is sorted. What else do I need? I've got the currency sorted out, the starting balance sorted out, the leverage is sorted out, platform. What other platforms do we have here? Okay, MT5, and then the password. Okay, let me check what else do I need. Yeah, I think that's all that I need now. Okay, now my demo account is active, 10,000 rands. So the next step from here, before we even get to trading, we need to break down a few more things. So this is part one of the best way to start trading. I will see you in the next video, which will be titled part 2. Thank you guys for tuning in.